Okra, the superfood you didn't know you needed. While superfood is more of a marketing label than a scientific one, it fits okra perfectly because of its incredible nutrient density. Today we are making a comfort chili okra bowl. As always, the full ingredient list and instructions are at the end. We're starting by sauteing or lightly frying our diced onions. Keep them moving until they hit that perfectly golden brown stage. Next, we add the okra. Once they start to soften, we'll season them with salt, black pepper, and any spices of your choice. Now for the aromatics. In go the baby cherry tomatoes, fresh chilies. If you're not a fan of the heat, feel free to skip the chilies, but they really make this dish pop. Keep everything moving as the tomatoes begin to blister. To create our sauce, we're going to add a splash of water to deglaze the pan. This picks up all those caramelized flavors from the onions. Adjust your black pepper to taste here. Gently crush some of the tomatoes to get that perfectly saucy consistency. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Allow it to simmer and everything is ready to serve. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. And if you are enjoying this budget friendly series, hit the like and join our community. You might also enjoy my mushroom sandwich recipe. I'll link it here. Thanks for watching. The recipe's coming up.